20 and 5, 7 and 20, like this. Okay, so I will draw the graph, right? Let's just say 10, 20, 30, like this. Okay, so in the first term it was 10, so 10, and in the second term for English it was 20. So you will make it here only. One you can shade. Okay, and over here you will mention, ma'am, this is for English. Then another you will come Hindi, it was 20, and later on it was 5. So this is for Hindi. Now other one, first term was 7, right? And the other one was 20. Right? This is for maths. Clear? So this is what a double bar graph look like, right? Same.
Okay, ma'am.
And then similarly here also 1 centimeter equals to 10 marks, because they are talking about marks. Right? So over here, what is this? This is subject. So you will mention here that this is subject. And what are they? They are marks. So over here you will write it like this, marks. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
And one very important thing in double bar graph is you will make a 2 columns. One is the simple one, which is going to represent the first term. And one is the second one, which is second term. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here you have the question. I hope you can see this. Favorite sport, watching and participating. So this is what
questions, like there's not questions.
No need to write the question. Only draw the graph.
No, I mean like they will ask the questions, right?
Yeah, they can. These are the questions. See, draw the double bar graph. What is your info? Form the bar graph. Which sport is most popular? Which is not preferred, watching or participating in sport? Right?
Yes.
Yes, Miraj.
Yes, I joined now.
Okay, no issues. We just started. This is the 5th question. Double bar graph we discussed in the previous class, right?
Yes.
This is what you have to do for the double bar graph. Okay?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Now what we want to do?
Miraj, you have to do the question number 5. Okay? This is the question. You have to draw the double bar graph. Okay?
Double bar?
Yes, double bar.
Bar graph? Yesterday we did.
Double one. This one. This. You remember in the previous class we did first term, second term?
Okay. Yes.
Good evening, ma'am. Sorry for the late.
Good evening, Chakrika. No issues. We just all of them. They are doing the fifth question, double bar graph. You can continue with it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, so it's like dual bar graph, right?
Sorry, who said something?
Ma'am, I asked whether it is a dual bar graph or not, but then I saw what you wrote over here, so yeah, I understood that
Yes,
it's a
it's double bar graph. Even it is written that. See, first question.
Yes,
Draw a
ma'am.
double bar graph. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever two datas are given to you, just understand that you have to draw double bar graph. Right.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Everyone done?
I
Ma'am, I'm
think,
done, ma'am. I signed on that.
Okay.
ma'am,
I'm
I
not done, miss.
okay,
I
okay, okay.
scanned.
Do it, do it, do it.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, so let's just discuss the answer. I hope your double bar graph look like this, right? The gap will be
yes,
for
ma'am.
Yes.
100. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am?
okay.
Yes.
Now this is how it look like. Then this watching and participating, right? Cricket, basketball, like this, right? Next is
Cricket.
which sport is the most popular?
Cricket.
Okay,
Cricket, ma'am.
cricket. And which is most preferred watching or participating in?
Watching is more preferred.
Watching.
Yes, favorite sport is most preferred in the column. Okay. Now next one, this is the same thing, right? Over here, what you have to do?
Ma'am, we have to just add the temperature, right? We have to
Yes.
just do all of it, like see
You
see
have
or
to,
not.
yeah. See, it will be like this, right? The temperature you will mention here, and over here for Ahmedabad, for Amritsar, for Bangalore, there are two temperature, the maximum temperature and minimum. So over here for Ahmedabad, you will draw maximum, minimum, then for Amritsar, maximum, minimum, whatever it is, like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay.
Once you are done, then you have few questions. Okay, I'll scroll it down. There is first draw the graph, then I'll scroll it down.
1 mark. Done. Done.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, everyone done or who is left?
I think everyone is done, ma'am.
Okay, Miraj, you.
Ma'am, I'm not done, ma'am.
Okay, Vega, do it.
Sorry, Vega.
Okay, no problem, do it.
No
Okay,
problem.
those who are done with this, the questions are here. You can do the questions, right? You can see the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here you go.
Yes, ma'am.
Do the questions.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the third question.
Okay. Name two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature. So you have to mention two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum. Clear? So minimum as comparing the numbers, maximum temperature is less as compared to the minimum. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, everyone done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's just discuss the
Yes, ma'am.
answer. This one.
Ma'am, can you scroll a little bit up?
Okay, okay, wait a minute.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. The first one, I hope this this temperature look like Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, like.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, I took a scale of 10. So,
Yeah, no problem. You can take any scale. There is no compulsion, but only over here you have to mention 1 centimeter equals to 10 units. Okay. It's not compulsion. You can even take the unit 20, 30, whatever you want. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, when you will do the differentiation, you got first one -9, -11, 7 like this. So first question, Jammu Kashmir has
Yes,
the
ma'am.
largest difference, right?
Yes.
-15. And in the minimum and maximum temperature given. And Jammu Kashmir is the hottest city and Bangalore is the coldest city. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ahmedabad and Jaipur are two cities with a minimum temperature of 29. Maximum temperature of Bangalore is 28, which is even less than the minimum temperature of Ahmedabad and Jaipur. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Then
ma'am, I still didn't get the third question.
third one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute. See. You have to name two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. Right? So over here, the two are Ahmedabad and Jaipur. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can see this. Ahmedabad and Jaipur. So it is 38, it is 29, right?
Yes,
And it is
ma'am.
39 and it is also 29. Clear? Both are
Yes,
less,
ma'am.
right? And
Yes, ma'am.
similarly, over
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
this one, 29 and 29 is there, right? So you have to find from here the maximum temperature who is less than these two,
So, Bangalore.
Bangalore. So that's why the answer is Bangalore. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
And next one, Mumbai has the least difference between the maximum and minimum, right?
Ma'am, one
Yes,
second,
ma'am.
can you show me that diagram, that answer diagram? Done, ma'am. I actually thought why was my difference because I shaded first one that was I was confused. Why did
No,
I
no, no.
get wrong?
It's like the least difference is 27 degree minus 32. So you got -5, which is the like the least one is for Mumbai. Okay. Now this
Okay,
one.
ma'am.
Tell whether the following is criteria to happen. Impossible, can happen, but not certain. Okay.
Ma'am, can happen but not certain is a full sentence, right? Or
Yes.
just like but not
Yes.
certain is
One
another
sentence.
sentence.
One sentence only.
Ma'am, criteria means information, right?
Yes. Like which information? Like this can happen or not. For example, I said tomorrow will rain. Right? So over here, what
Yes,
is this
ma'am.
sentence? Like this can happen. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Third
But
question.
I said
Oh,
tomorrow I will become bird. Right? So this is impossible, right?
Impossible.
So this
Yes,
is
ma'am. So it's like probability.
yes.
ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
what the third question is trying to
Can
say?
happen, but not certain. Right? Over here, I said tomorrow also you will get the traffic. Right? So this can happen, but not always. You all whenever you are going on the road, you are not getting traffic, right? But you can get, right? Not usually, but you can. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the third question telling us? A die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top.
A die
I
was
don't
then
understand.
tossed, shall land with 8 on top. A dice, whenever we play Ludo or something, right? You have a dice.
Yes,
How many numbers you have in this dice?
6.
6. So is it possible that you will get 8?
Oh, it was reading a die. I was not
No,
understand
no,
what
not
was the
that
meaning of
die.
die.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Ma'am, done.
I'm done.
Everyone done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So what you got? For the first one, it is certain to happen. You are older today than yesterday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
A tossed coin will land hands up. It can happen, but not certain,
But not certain, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then a die when tossed, it is impossible. The next
Impossible.
traffic
Yes.
light seems will be green. It can happen, but not certain, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is
Yes.
red, then the
Miss,
next light will be yellow.
miss,
Yes.
miss, my phone charge is only 5%.
Sorry.
My phone charge is only 5%.
Okay. So do you want to leave the class?
Yes.
Okay. So leave the class. Just join the. Just watch the recording because next 5-10 minutes are going to be important. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Miraz. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay. The next traffic light will be green, so it can happen but not certain. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. It can happen but not certain. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Now, next one is this. There are 6 marble in a box with number from 1 to 6 marked on it. Right? I'm just first teaching you one question. For example, this is a box. Right? Over here, red, green, yellow, white, red, yellow, red. Okay, these are the balls. This is one person. That person randomly came and he will pick the balls. Okay, so I asked you what is the probability that you will get a red ball, right? So you will first count how many red balls are there. 1, 2.
3.
So you wrote 3, right? That there are 3 times there are chances that you will get a red ball. And now, how many total balls are there? 1, 2, 3,
3 by 7.
5, 6, 7. So 3 by 7 is your probability. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Much
So-
only
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
to
Got
do.
Sorry.
This much also we have. This
No,
much
I
only we
just
have
gave
to
you one example to understand. So I think this question now, there are 6 marble in a box from number 1 to 6. So 6 marble written like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? And what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? Clear?
Ma'am, I'm done.
done.
done, ma'am.
Ma'am, everyone is done.
Okay, everyone is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. So who will tell me the answer?
6 by
Ma'am, the first one is 1/3.
1 by, yeah, 1 by 6.
Yes, ma'am.
And next one also 1/6. So this is how you will write the answer. Total number of marble in a box is 6. The probability of drawing a marble with number 2 is this. Like this, you will write the answer. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
nothing.
Tell me.
Ma'am, I got
No,
it
I
wrong.
was confused. Like, can we write 1 by 6 or 6 by
No,
1? I
this
was
is how you
confused.
have to write. How will I get to know what is
I
1
read
or
both.
6?
Actually, the thing is
Right?
that as the number was 2, I wrote 2/6. So I
3 by
cancelled
6
it.
for who? What?
Actually,
Ma'am,
here they asked the question, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2, right? So I just like wrote 2/6 without realizing like there's only
No,
one
they
2.
are asking. So how many 2 are there? Only 1 2 is there,
One
na?
by yes, ma'am. So 1/6.
Okay, so quickly note it down like this format. This is how you have to do in your exam hall. If you will write 1/6, you will only get half marks. Maybe sometimes
Okay,
0.
ma'am.
Or how will I get to know what is 6 and what is 1? Right? So you need to tell them total number is this, probability is this. P equals to 1/6. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay. Done.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everyone done, right?
Yes.
This is the last question. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start?
Ma'am, done.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So,
P is equal to 1 by 2.
1/2, ma'am.
so
1/2.
P is
how
equal.
do you write the answer? When a coin is flipped, there are two outcomes, either head or tail, right?
Tail.
The probability
Yes,
of
ma'am.
getting a head or a tail is equal. That's why the probability of the team to starting will be 1/2.
1/2. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vega?
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. So girls, here we end up this chapter. Okay. So we are done with the data
Ma'am,
handling.
chapter right little.
Yeah, it's not that much lengthy and plus it's very, very easy. Right. So we have finished this chapter. What we will do in the next class, we will do the examples of this chapter. Okay,
Okay,
like
ma'am.
you people will do. I will only give you the questions. Okay. And then
Okay.
we will move to the next chapter, which is going to be the next chapter, like chapter number 4. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh,
Okay, ma'am.
so I'm just giving you 2 minutes. Quickly go through whatever we did in this chapter from starting itself, like whether it is your range, mean,
Okay, ma'am.
median, whatever it is. Go through it. Let me know if you have any doubt.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.